In this tutorial, we will show you how to create workspaces, how to invite teammates to your workspace, and how to assign them the appropriate licenses and permissions. Let's get started. To be able to create workspaces and invite teammates, you need to save your profile as a business account. This setting can only be configured once and cannot be changed later. After filling in all the required information, click the Save button to store your profile. Once saved, the business account features and menu options will become available, allowing you to manage workspaces, invite teammates, and assign them the appropriate permissions. In the Plans menu, you can find the business licenses. Here, you can select and purchase the licenses you need. The licenses you purchase can later be assigned to your teammates, giving them access to the features and capabilities associated with each license within the workspace. New teammates can be invited to the system via email to register for the software. During the invitation process, you can choose which of the purchased licenses to assign, or you can invite someone without a license for free. Once the invitation is sent, the system automatically emails the invited user. Until they accept the invitation, you can still see in the list who has been invited and their current status. After the invitee accepts the invitation, you can continue to manage their assigned license, or, if necessary, remove the user from the workspace via the Members section. To create a workspace, click the Create Workspace button. Then select the package that best suits your team and click Buy Workspace to complete the setup. After the workspace is successfully created, you can set its name and related information. If you want to upgrade or modify the package later, you can do so at any time in the Plans section. Once the workspace is ready, you can invite teammates who will work within the workspace using the assigned licenses. When adding a teammate, you can select their role within the workspace, and this setting can be changed at any time later. A teammate can have one of three roles. Admin, full access to manage the workspace. Editor, can create and edit content within the workspace. Viewer, has viewing permissions and can export projects. Invited users gain access to the list of workspaces, where they can choose which workspace they want to work in. Within a workspace, members with the editor role can create and edit projects. These projects are visible to other workspace members according to their permission levels, allowing the team to collaborate, view, and even export them. For example, if an editor creates a new project in the workspace, the owner or admins will immediately see it in the project list. If the owner invites a user with the viewer role, even with a free license, they also gain access to the projects. A viewer can open and test the project and export it, which is especially useful for developers when they need to integrate the project into their own workflows. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified about new ones.